Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be making turkey stew with this particular unique ingredient. I'm not sure you have ever tested or used before. So let's focus on this unique ingredient. These are actually vegetables. This is leek. I don't know, it looks like spring onion, but it's not really spring onion. It's bigger than spring onion, so we'll be using it. This is my parsley, some carrots, celery, white onion, and turmeric. So for this I can't finish, and I'm not going to use all of this. I will just take a little for this particular recipe, after which I will be processing, as in I'll be blending the remaining, then store in the fridge for subsequent uses. Here is my turkey, already chopped onion, tomatoes, bell pepper. I'm using one bell pepper, shombo, onion. I'm going to blend in all this. The ginger and garlic I will still, though I'm not using everything, I'll just take about 3 pieces of this. Then this I'm seasoning with some chicken seasoning, ginger and garlic powder, just adding some salt, some salt, some curry powder. So I'm mixing up everything, and I will allow to cook without water. So for our special ingredients, we call it vegetable broth. This is the leek. Like I said, I'm not using everything. These are the ones I'll be using for this stew. This is the celery. Our parsley. See, for those that don't really like artificial seasoning, you can go with this. Guys, this is my vegetable broth. Like I said, you can go with just this if you don't like all these bouillon cubes and all the rest. I didn't even do everything, like I didn't blend everything. The little I brought that I will add, look at how big it is. I might not even use everything. I'm going to be blending the pepper mix. So here is the ginger and garlic, this scotch bonnet pepper. If you're enjoying this video right now, another of my videos, please now subscribe. It does not pay, as in they don't charge you for you to subscribe. It's free. Subscription is free. Just click on that bell icon. You will see subscribe, then the bell icon is to notify you whenever I post a new video. So in this pot. I added the oil I used to fry the turkey. I'll be using it. You need to test it. The turkey release very unique taste into the oil. I'm not going to be covering it so that it will fry faster. Yeah, there is enough oil because we are frying the stew. We are not boiling it. It needs oil to fry. Maybe after I will skim off the excess oil. So this has been frying for about 10 minutes. And another secret to getting a very delicious stew is frying on a low heat. Low to medium heat, not high heat. So I'll be adding our vegetable broth. So this is about 15 to 20 minutes. And we are not yet there because we are frying on a low heat. Let's give it a little more time. If you notice, I've not added any salt, this or that. Already those are in the turkey stock. So I'll add the stock first, then adjust. So this is how it's supposed to be. I'm adding the stock now. See, I ended up adding the whole vegetable broth. I was saying it's too much. I'll take some and keep in the fridge. I added everything, and believe me, the taste is something else. So I'm adding more salt. I've already tasted, and it just needs only salt. There's no need to add any spices at all because the vegetable broth has already given us the sweetness. But look at how beautiful it is, guys. This is so delicious. You need to try out this recipe, I'm telling you. If you haven't tried out any of my recipes, you see this one, you need to try it out. So guys, this is our turkey stew. Like, it's so delicious. Make sure you try out this recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.